So the first thing that we're going to do is grab the key box out of our install kit. You're just going to use a little screwdriver, pop it open here. We need to take the battery out of one of the remotes, and then the remote is going to reside in the box. Close it up, and then it has a port here that plugs into our harness. So to remove the battery, you have a little press tab on each side, so just go ahead and push that, and then you can pull the key shank out. Push those same deals and pull the piece out right there, and there'll be a battery in here, which obviously I've already removed, so pop it out. Go ahead and reassemble the key. So back here, after we have the panel propped out, we need to get underneath this. So if you guys just lift up on this, it will come loose. And then pop this little red lock tab up, like that. So once you have that up and out of the way, go ahead and just rotate, set that up there. So now what we need to do is remove the Bose amp and just set it to the side. Now we're just gonna go ahead and remove these. Once you have them removed, this will lift up, and these feet do not have screws in them, but they are kind of like inserted into the plastic. So you basically just lift it up, pull it to the driver's side, and then we can get that out. So the key box actually hides underneath the Bose amp in the Q7. So that way, if you guys ever need to retrieve it, all you need to do is pop this panel, the flooring out, and you can get right down to it, and you don't have to pull out anything else. So it's super easy, it's hidden, nobody will even know it's there. So we're gonna remove this amp bracket right here. There's two 13mm bolts. For the two silver screws back in here that we need to remove, they are a T30, and I'm actually gonna use the ratchet here. Once you got those out, go ahead and lift this up. There's two 10mm bolts right here. We're gonna go ahead and use the ratchet with an extension. All right, we got the nuts off there. So let's go ahead. We're gonna just basically lift up on this, but when you guys lift up on this, the tuner pack is right here underneath it. So make sure that these feet from the bracket do not get caught on the antenna wires when you remove this and when you're putting it back on. So just be cautious of that. You're gonna have to pull it towards the center of the car to get these feet to release, and then you guys can move this on out. And here we are, the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. All right, so when you guys open the box, you're gonna notice quite a few connectors here. You'll have zip ties, you'll have colored instructions, and then some other material in there as well. The small connectors up here go to the module. We got the key box right here. Up here, we're gonna have the two black T-harnesses. You're gonna have the brown one, and then you're gonna have the blue one. And grab your pry tool or your screwdriver. These do have the lock clips on it, so basically they're down. You cannot get to the clip, so just pop that little red tab up, and now you can push the tab in and release it. You will be able to see that on our harness here, how that is positioned. So go ahead and take that one out. I usually do these one by one. You plug it in, pop the tab down, go ahead and plug our harness back in, and do that for the following connectors. Once you have everything installed at the BCM, grab the key box and plug the green connector into it. So we got the 2018 Audi Q7 all wrapped up. Pulled it outside so we can give you a quick demo on it. On the factory key fob, you're going to push the lock button 3 times. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3. You'll see a parking light confirmation. And she'll fire up. There we go. When you guys come out to the vehicle, go ahead and hit the unlock button. You're able to get in. And now you can put it in drive and drive away.